Hello friends, here again we are with our brand new lecture on polarization. I am Dr. Mrinal Mahajan, Assistant Professor, Brijlal Biani Science College, Amravati. Now here I am with the very basic concept of polarization. Now what do you mean by polarization in chemistry? Polarization is the tendency of an cation to attract the electron cloud. The tendency of an cation, that is a positively charged ion, to attract the electron cloud of anion towards itself, leading to distortion of that electron cloud, is known as polarization. You can see in the picture, if this if the persons which are more in number is an cation, and it attracts the electron, that is a red handkerchief, towards itself from that two persons, which you can assume as an anion or negatively charged, there will be the distortion in structure. Obviously the electron will be towards the negative charge, will be pulled towards the positive charge, and the stable structure will be distorted as this is more powerful and number of people here are more. So this concept is called as polarization. Now as anions are larger in size than cations, therefore the electron cloud is less tightly held and it is easily pulled towards the positively charged cations. Thus, an anion is said to be polarized. An anion is said to be polarized, and the distortion of symmetrical electron charge cloud of anion is termed as polarization. Anion is said to be polarized by a cation, and the distortion of symmetry of an electron charge cloud is termed as polarization. Now there are rules for polarization as well. We will see that later on. Now polar and non-polar bonds. Now polarization, you know. Polarization is what? The electron cloud of anions shifting towards the cation. That means there is formation of negative charge as well as positive charge. अगर कटायन अनायन को खींचता, इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड खींचता है, इसका मतलब है कि अनायन के पास निगेटिव चार्ज है और कटायन के पास पॉजिटिव चार्ज है. दैट मीन्स दे हैव फॉर्म अ पोलर, like two poles, positive pole and negative pole. Now we will see polar and non-polar bonds. Now there are two types of covalent bond. Covalent bond, everyone knows. Covalent bond is sharing of electrons. The bond formed by sharing of electrons. Now non-polar covalent bond. Non-polar covalent bond is the covalent bond formed by equal share of electrons. नॉन पोलर मतलब उसमें कोई पोलैरिटी नहीं है. Whereas polar covalent bond is formed by unequal sharing of electrons. मतलब sharing of electrons will be there, but that sharing will be unequal. That gives rise to polar covalent bond. तो unequal होने की वजह से क्या होगा? कहीं पे इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड ज्यादा रहेगा, कहीं पे इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड कम रहेगा. जहां पे इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड ज्यादा रहेगा वहां पे पार्शियल निगेटिव चार्ज रहेगा, और जहां पे इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड कम रहेगा वहां पे पार्शियल पॉजिटिव चार्ज रहेगा. राइट? ओके. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पोलर कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड? अ पोलर कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड इज unequal sharing of electrons between two atoms. Let us take an example of HCl, hydrogen chloride. In polar covalent bond, one atom typically has a negative charge and the other atom has a positive charge. Now we'll see HCl. Now ये positive charge and negative charge ये क्यों होता है? Now in HCl, electronegativity, the concept of electronegativity plays an important role. Chlorine is more electronegative than hydrogen. अगर उसकी electronegativity ज़्यादा है, electronegativity क्या है? Electronegativity is a tendency of an atom to attract shared pair of electron towards itself. अगर ज़्यादा electronegativity है तो वो इलेक्ट्रॉन की पेयर अपने तरफ ज़्यादा खींचेगा, इसका मतलब वो और निगेटिव बनेगा. ओके, सो क्लोरीन हैज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी देन हाइड्रोजन. तो हाइड्रोजन का जो भी छोटा सा इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड है वो फिर से क्लोरीन की तरफ जाएगा, या फिर क्लोरीन का मतलब दैट विल बी डिस्टॉर्टेड, इट वोंट बी इक्वली शेयर्ड, द इलेक्ट्रॉन विल नॉट बी इक्वली शेयर्ड, एंड दिस गिव्स राइज टू पोलर कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड. नॉन-पोलर कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड इज equal sharing of electrons. उसमें तो कोई explain करने की there is no need to explain. That is equal sharing of bonds. This diagram depicts properly. First is ionic bond. Plus charge, minus charge. That means the electron pair has been shifted towards the negatively charged ion. That's why it have become more in size and it is negative charge. This gives rise to ionic bonding. Covalent bonding मतलब क्या हो रहा है? That both the XX, that is the electrons, are equally shared in between the two atoms. And polar is they are shared but they are not equally shared. मतलब it does not go completely into one ion and it is not equally shared as well. Thus it gives rise to a creation of partial positive charge and partial negative charge. So this is called as polar covalent bond. For this lecture, we'll stop here, and the details about polarization, the Fajan's rule of polarization, applications of polarization will be covered in next video. Thank you. Stay tuned.